in. Come on in, everybody. Look what I am cooking. Look what I found in my refrigerator that I need to cook because I am hungry. I need some food to eat. Hey, go on, go on. Come on in, everybody, so I can cook. Look what I found. I found some stuff now. You can't go hungry if you have a little something in your refrigerator. So I got some potatoes. Oh, my potato fam. And look, you can't go wrong with some chicken wings. You can't go wrong with no chicken wings, baby. I found in my son's refrigerator. And that's a few, well, I didn't find the potatoes. These potatoes is from the Popeyes, that Saturday night when we did the Popeyes menu. The corn is actually from that too because we didn't even get a chance to use the corn. And the chicken wings, we had so many chicken wings and so many chicken breasts that, yes. So I found some chicken wings. Okay, y'all, let's get with it. Okay, y'all, I have some potatoes. These are the only potatoes we have. But, baby, I'm going to make it work. Y'all just watch. I got corn. We're going to put that to the side. And then with these wings, I'm not frying them. But I'm not going to fry these. I'm going to air fry them. I'm going to use this season on some because it's only a little. Now, I cooked some wings before with this in the air fry. I cooked them in the oven. It wasn't the same like the air fryer. So I'm going to do it in the air fryer, but I wish I had more because, baby, use this on some wings, y'all. Use this on some wings in the air fryer. So good. So good. So let's get to cutting. Make sure y'all thumbs up. We're getting 50 thumbs up so I can start cooking. And y'all know in that air fryer, it's not going to take, well, it'll take about 20 minutes. I'm going to leave this little part on. Now, who eat this little wingly? Who use that part? Who eat that part? I know I do. It have all the flavor in it. Oh my goodness. That little part there, that part have all the flavor, like all the season. Yeah, if you don't have a pair of kitchen scissors, amazing, get some. Especially if you feel some type of way about knives. Now, y'all know we do have knives. Now, certain things you cannot use these scissors on. You actually have to use a knife. But get you some. Best thing ever. Okay, we got so we got them chopped up. I'm gonna kind of rinse them off. Which part of the wings do y'all like? Do y'all actually go to the restaurant and say, no, I want all flats or I want all drumettes? Which one? I prefer these, but I wouldn't go to the shop and ask for like Pacific ones because I kind of like both of them, but if I had to choose, it would be the drumettes. So I'm gonna do one. I'm gonna do 2 corns and the potato. So I'm gonna cut the potatoes up, the little potatoes we got. Yes, baby. Both of them starch. Okay. Say until you try it. Okay. Corn and potatoes like this. The wings and things. So we're gonna season our wings too. So slap your mama season, a little salt. I'm gonna add some more wings. A little salt, slap your mama season, some paprika. Garlic powder. Yeah, you still want to season your wings. Onion powder. black pepper, a little brown sugar, just a little. Everybody, welcome, welcome. Who's hungry? Who's hungry? I'm trying to get every drop out, baby. Who's hungry? Okay, y'all. Let's toss these, baby. We got to get all the season. Make sure it's closed. All the seasons. If you use that on your wings, you'll be like, this is the best wings I ever had. The best wing. It's a salsa. You'll find it in your salsa aisle. But put it over your wings, I'm telling you. This is not my first time using it, so I'm not testing out now. This is my first time using it on my corn and potatoes that I'm gonna put in the air fryer. But this is not my first time using it on wings, and it's delicious. But you gotta use the air fryer. Let's go ahead and put this food in the air fryer. So, I'm gonna put the corn in. Now, I'm gonna be honest, y'all, this is my first time doing corn in the air fryer. I have done potatoes in the air fryer. But first time doing corn. So we're going to see. And then we're going to do the chicken. So we're going to put the chicken on the other side. I got the corn on one side. I got the potatoes on the other side. I mean in the middle. Now I'm putting the chicken on the other side. And do one meal all at once. Here we go. Y'all see? Okay, next I'm going to, it's at 400, time on 20 minutes. Let's play. Y'all ready to eat? I'm going to bring y'all closer. You got. Okay, y'all see it? I'm telling you. Now, this is my first time trying the corn like this and the potato wedges. But the chicken, I have tried it before and it's yummy. So who ready? I also have some 2 times spice if I want to add a little flavor, some honey, and some hot sauce. But they're not the star. Let's get a little napkin. Y'all ready? If you like what you see here, thumbs it up. If you like what you see here and like the energy, subscribe and hit that post notification bell so you can be notified. We go live every, like I said, you heard we have, it be a family. Fun, food, and family. We go live every Saturday at 8 p.m. Central Standard Time, and it's a cooking challenge. It's so much fun, y'all. You don't want to miss the Saturdays. You don't want to miss the Sundays. Sundays is fun, food, and family, where we just sit back, cook a good old Sunday dinner, and we sit here and chit-chat and have a good time. So make sure you turn on your post notification bell if you like what you see. Now, today is just the one. It's just me. But on Saturday, it'll be my husband, my sister-in-law, brother-in-law, brothers, sons, nieces, nephews. So you don't want to miss it. And you don't want to miss this Saturday. Because I got a poll up, y'all. If y'all haven't checked out the poll, go to my community post that's on my profile. You go. It starts out with video, shorts, playlists, and posts. Press that and it will show you the poll I have up. Have some, y'all. I know we're going to get it. We need to do a countdown. All my regulars, y'all need to show the newbies how we do a 10 countdown to try to food. Start. 10. Everybody. 9, 9, see 8. Come on. 7, 7. Now we on 6. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 3, 3, 3, 2, 1. Y'all grab y'all wing. Everybody grab a wing. Grab you a piece of corn, fries. Everybody grab some. Let's eat. Right, Amy? Let's eat. Okay, these are the fries. Mmm. 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 These fries are good. They just give it, I don't know, it give it like a burst of flavor. Mmm. Mm-mm-mm. But okay, let's try the corn. Because baby, I'm ready to try these wings for y'all. Corn. Mmm. 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 Woo. Yum. It's the flavor. It just, I don't know, give a burst of flavor. You actually taste it. Mmm. Let's try the wing. Let's find a good one. That one kind of a little roasted looking. This is what I've been waiting for, y'all. Mmm. 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 Yum. Mmm. Mmm. Came off. Mmm. 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 Y'all, this season here, try it.